Tired of swiping in the real world? Blush AI is an innovative dating simulator designed to be your private, judgment free space to practice flirting, build confidence, and explore relationship dynamics. It is not just a chatbot. It is a full fledged simulation with hundreds of AI characters. In this 2025 guide, I'm walking you through the entire process, from downloading the app to creating your perfect crush and diving into your first dynamic conversation. Let's get started. Step 1: Download and initial setup. First, head to the App Store or Google Play and search for Blush AI Dating Simulator. Once installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to create an account, usually through Google, Apple, or email. The initial profile setup is quick, asking for basic information like your pronouns and birth date. Crucially, Blush will ask about your preferences. Who are you looking to match with? This helps the AI create your initial feed. Once you're through, you'll land on the main match feed. Step 2: Creating and customizing your match. This is where the fun begins, and it is a major feature of the 2025 version: creating a highly personalized crush. You have two options here: swiping or creating your own. Option A: swiping. Simply scroll through the AI generated profiles. Each comes with a unique backstory, personality profile, and a stunning AI generated photo. Tap Crush to add them to your collection. Option B: the Create Match. Look for the plus icon or Create New button. Here, you define your crush, personality traits like adventurous or reserved, interests, and dating style. Recent updates in 2025 even allow for more custom photos to be generated, making your match truly unique. Once you've settled on a match, tap their profile to enter the chat screen. The chat interface is your playground. To begin, send an opening message. This AI is highly responsive and designed to challenge you slightly, reflecting real dating dynamics. Don't be too aggressive or jump ahead. You need to build trust. Pay attention to the key interaction features. First, the memory. The AI remembers context and previous conversations, making interactions feel surprisingly natural and progressive. If you are stuck, the app offers AI generated response suggestions to help keep the dialogue flowing and teach you effective communication techniques. And even in 2025, you can now send virtual roses, chocolates, or jewelry to your crush. This not only sparks unique, custom responses but can also unlock new levels of the relationship. The core value of Blush is practicing relationship skills. As you chat, you're navigating flirting, disagreements, and romantic moments. Unlike a basic chatbot, Blush rewards good communication. You will receive personalized guidance and feedback on your style. Over time, your crush may invite you on a virtual date, a scripted, immersive scenario that pushes your social skills in a fun, safe environment. Use this space to figure out what you truly want and how you want to express yourself. Blush AI is an excellent tool for anyone looking to boost their dating confidence, overcome social anxiety, or simply explore relationship fantasies safely and privately. Remember, privacy is paramount. Your experiences here stay between you and your AI. My final tip: do not be afraid to experiment with different personalities. Each AI character offers a unique learning experience.